Buenos dias. Good day to y'all. Tranquila. You ready to go feed the horses? Yeah? All right, let's go feed them. You all ready? Listos? Listos means ready. You ready to go feed the horses? All right, there's Blaze. It's his older sister, Black Beauty. She's 34 and Blaze is 33. And forgive me, Blaze is 32. And Diamond's 30. Harmony, I think she's about 4 or 5, and Luna's about 4 or 5. And then also and Penny, I don't see him, but Oso's about 16. And then Penny, I think she's about 10 or 11. Let's go feed the horses. Let me pause it. All right, let's go feed the horses. They're all coming.